These are the magnesium mineralizer jugs from BWT. These units use a multi-stage filter to remove particles, reduce limescale and heavy metal concentration by exchange of calcium through magnesium ions, and reduce substances like chlorine and organic impurities. This exchange also adds magnesium, which is said to play hundreds of important roles in the body. The filtration process also removes unwanted odors and tastes from your drinking water, and even enhances the flavor and aromas of tea and coffee. These jugs are also available in a range of sizes and colors. Now, the clever easy fill system allows you to fill the jug without removing the lid, stopping any particles from getting into the jug. They also have an easy control unit that automatically lets you know when it's time to replace your filter. All the jugs use these magnesium mineralizer filters. These are easily replaced, affordable, and last about a month or 100 fills. Now this works out to about 270 litres of clean, healthy, filtered water. They also have a slim design that allows you to fit them in the fridge door, and apart from the lid and the filter, they're dishwasher safe. Now it's important to remember when using a new filter to soak it for 5 minutes and then do one flush through the jug and pour that water out. This activates the carbon and flushes out any loose particles. Now these are just some of the water filtering options available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.